Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be giving you guys a tour of our den. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll start with this picture here. And if you don't already know, I like to shop on a budget. So I love estate sales, I love thrift stores, all of that. So a lot of things that I got in here were thrifted, some were not, but a lot were. But anyway, I just want to point out those pieces. So this I got from the thrift store, I believe it's from Goodwill, and I like it. I liked it because it was large and it just fills up the space. There were some imperfections on it, but you know what? Honestly, that doesn't bother me too much. I didn't try to even fix it because it kind of gives the picture character, so I just left it there. All right, let's head over here. So my sofas are completely old. We are about to get a new one, so I'll be making a new video pretty soon to redo my den. So I will be showing you a video on that. But anyway, the sofas are old. That's all you need to know. This coffee table and the end table, got it years ago from Cost Plus. Really good quality stuff. It's lasted me for years. I'm talking about 10 plus years. The books on the table, most of these were estate sales or thrifted. These, if you saw my living room tour, I told you I had a set of 3. So I put these 2 here. This is just like coffee table decor. This I probably got from Home Goods. A lot of these books were either thrifted or given to me. And then these little, because my last name is Layered, we got these cute little, what do you call them? Coasters from Macy's. All right. Let's look at my wall gallery. Most of these pictures were thrifted. This I got from an estate sale. There was an art business that was going out of sale, and I got this there. Isn't it lovely? I always forget the artist's name, but I will make sure that I add it. These were thrifted. This Hobby Lobby, that was thrifted. This was given to me by my mother-in-law. This came from Kirkland's, and then this photo was thrifted as well. Now when I got this from the thrift store, the frame was just like a plain wood, so I brought it home and I painted it black because I just thought that the black would look better. This desk over here, I got this desk from Michael's. I'm sorry, I got this desk from Target. I love this desk. It's been in a few places in the house. Like it used to be in my bedroom when we lived in our other house, but I moved it down here when we moved here because I just thought it fit well. This chair is thrifted. This right here I got from the thrift store in Palm Springs. Remember I told you guys about the lovely thrift stores in Palm Springs. This is the Bible, but this book right here, this Pottery Barn book, thrift store. I see a lot of people purchasing expensive coffee table books. You guys, try the thrift store first. This one is a decor book, and I got it at the thrift store. It was probably $1 or 50 cents. This here, I got this from TJ Maxx or Ross, one of them, TJ Maxx or Ross. These books, I think I bought those actually, but like this, I have this book from the thrift store, and then there's a Michael Jackson coffee table book. All of my baskets, I tried to cleverly, because we have a whole bunch of wires, it's a mess if you look real close. But all the baskets I got at the thrift store, that big basket I know I got at a yard sale. My husband got this nice artificial plant for me. But all of those books right there on top of the little speaker system, all from the thrift store. So that's what I'm saying. Try the thrift store if you want coffee table books. There is really no need to spend a lot of money on those, okay? Two more pieces I wanted to show you guys. This actually came from the thrift store. So it's a nice little wood piece. When I got it, it was in this color. It was a lighter wood, but I just brought it home and I stained it. I love to stain, by the way. That's kind of like my favorite part of painting is staining. So you can either use it to sit on, it could actually be like a little side table. It's really cool. I have another one that I just got from the thrift store, so I'm gonna probably do a video showing you how I stained that. This bench, I actually built this bench, believe it or not. So I ordered these little legs from Amazon, and then I went to Home Depot, got 2 pieces of wood, put them together, stained them, and then drilled the legs on. I wanted one of these benches, but they were like really expensive. So I said, let me just try to make one for cheaper. And that's what I did. I'm kind of proud of myself. Yeah, so it's just extra seating in our den. And then this plant right here, I got this plant. I got it at a yard sale. A few years ago, and it's a little ficus and it's doing pretty well. But yeah, like I've always said, shop on a budget if you can. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you have enjoyed my little eclectic den tour. Like I said, I will be updating this because we're getting a new couch and I just kind of want to decorate around that and get a whole different vibe in here. So stay tuned for that video.